How to tell if a Jamaican man likes you. I did a video on how to tell if a Jamaican girl like you, and if you haven't seen it, go and check it out. Stop this video, go and check it out, or watch this video and check it out later. Either way, check it out. So when I did the girl video, everyone asked for a male edition, so this is for you. Welcome back to my channel. For my supporters, I really do appreciate you guys. You motivate me. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Tia. I do such things as comedy. Once is funny, here is a place to be. Do not leave without subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Do you hear me? Do not leave without subscribing and hitting that notification bell. I also want to say I really do appreciate you guys. I know I have some silent watchers that view, do not comment, and don't like. I know I have you guys on here, so please to not miss a future video, because I don't see what you viewing and don't subscribing. I can see you guys. I can see you. Please hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. So this video is about how to tell if a Jamaican man likes you. Why don't we just jump in the video? Number one, our man approach you. When you're in the street, I walk and a man approach you. Psst, like them a lose ear. Some of them will come up to you and say, yo tickers, if you's a fatty. Yo tickers, you know, give me time idea.
Big Batty Judy, yo, how you going, so?
Some gentlemen will come up to you, talk to you nice and things. Some of them will send them bridging. They come tell you, say, yo, boss over the same like you know. Don't go. Don't go. If him don't have the guts to come up to you, why sense? You understand? Walk up to the bee. Walk up to the bee and tell the beast you like her straight. Even as slim as, yo, niggle foot. You know what I'm going to want you do? Them come up here and them chat plain. Some of them dry eye, them chat plain, and all of them with it. Then they make you know, say, yo, them like you, and them go want you. You understand me?
Yo, champion, hear me now? Baby, hear me now?
Number two, if a man don't take you out in a public, if him idle like how him hide money, that is not a good sign. That is not a good sign, because Jamaican man love show off them woman. Yo, dog, you know what I mean, you own this store. Yeah, man. Am I kitty that, you know? Them love show off them girl. Them love take them girl out and show them off. So, if you comfortable with you there, me in bed, that not really make no sense. And some of them will come and say, everybody knows that we there already. So why we are all hands? Hold on pan him hand. I want him to embarrass you. That is not a good sign. That is not a good sign. Make him take you out. Make him take you out in a public. Do better. 3. If them turn down other girls for you. If them turn down other girls for you, you depend the right chat, because Jamaican man, when Jamaican man really have one woman, them have girl in a bungle, girl in a rima, girl in a jungle. So if them turn down the woman for talk to you because them want to see your face every day, you depend the winning road, you depend the right track. Sorry for you up in my iPad, you know, a minute ago. Probably I think the sun dropped to they big and bright. You understand? So number 4. Well, if them introduce you to the mama, you understand me? If them introduce you to the mother, I want plus that, you know, I want plus that. You with the talk to a man for a year, 2 year, 3 year, I never ever in your lifetime meet the man mother. They not care to them mother if them not that serious, you know. Tell me, I tell you, you know. Number 5, if them eat your cooking. If you cook your man and the man eat your cooking or him request your cooking, well, a man only eat and talk about mama food and granny food. You understand? So if you can cook your man and him love all your cook and everything, that is another 1+, because man don't really eat from woman just like that, you know. Man no really eat from woman just like that. So if him fear eat your cooking, you know saying like you. Number 6 we have to tell if a Jamaican man really like you, or if them, I bet you never tell me. If them buy your phone credit, because in a Jamaica, that are the new thing. It come like a dearer than gold. It come like the world them a give when them send a phone card. Oh! Them rather give them money than give you phone card. A man now go take up them phone card send you if them not like you. Obviously them I feel like if you send your phone card because it come like a diamond and gold. Number 7, you say if a Jamaican man tell us so them rate you, them like it because it take 100 million and 10 years for them say I love you. I don't know what happened to them. It's like them want the heaven to touch the earth and me get up and fly with a wing for them say I love you to a Jamaican girl. But that's enough for every man. Some man will get up and say it. That to me mean you just get up and say I love you. You have to get time to love a person. For them, it take 100 million and 10 years. Number 8, him don't use him phone when him there around you. Him don't use him phone when him there around you because him consider that rude and disrespectful. Him want give all of the attention, him want show you all in time. Him don't want nothing in that. Him just want focus on you. So if a man there around you and I look on him phone and I press and I don't know what I'm saying they do. Why sense? You did an independent phone 24/7 naturally the attention and time. Girl, bye. Number 9, him go and always protect you. Him go try find ways and everything you say. Oh, him go and just be caring and protective, like you is a newborn baby. You understand? Him go and cling on and just feel say, you know when you have feel say something good there, him just protective of you. Him go always protective of you if him like you. Number 10 now. Most man would have all of them attributes there, but only forget one thing. But that is some man. Only forget the coochie. But if him willing to wait, remember you just get in a relationship, you get to know the person and them with it. If him willing to wait for you, if him willing to take things slow, for him get to know you and you get to know him. Yes, him really want to work. Him really like you like that. So I know nothing if he'll take it slow. You get me? So these were ways to tell if a Jamaican man really do likes you. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a thumb up, comment, and let me know if you're active on the page. Let me know you're active on the page. See you next time.